Okay, hello friends. In this video, I am going to record a simple video that solves two main problems that most of my students are going to facing. Okay, these are the two main common problems. Okay, first issue is that copy and paste 3D objects from one 3ds max file to another. For example, I am having two max file. One max file have different small trees, okay, or you can say small plants, but I do not want all the plants. Suppose I only want one plant to copy from one 3ds max file to my project. Okay, because suppose I have a ongoing current project and I have downloaded some trees from internet, so I cannot bring all my downloaded file to my original project. It may increase the file size or it may damage my project. So the best option is to open the downloaded file into a separate max file, cross check if everything is proper, and then select only the object that is required, and how to copy paste that object from the downloaded file to your current final project that I'm going to show you. And also, suppose here if you have imported any files from internet, or if you have files where texture is missing, normally when you import files from internet some textures might be missing, no? So how, if I come here to search the texture, my references asset tracking toggle, you see it has n number of texture. I will refresh and all are missing. How to relink this texture, how to find from my local drive, and how to relink, also this I'm going to record in this step. So this video consists of two part. First will be copy paste from the downloaded uh, max file which you are downloaded from internet to your current file, and then if there is something missing textures, then how to relink those textures. So first I am going to explain you how the script work, whatever my script is, how this work, and then I am going to explain you how to install that script. Very easily you can install both the script. Okay, for example, here I have taken two 3ds max file. What I will do, I will reset both my file. Okay, I reset one max file. This is my another max file. I will reset another max file also. Okay, I will make it side by side. This is my one max file, this is my another max file. Okay, we'll continue. Suppose this is the file that we have downloaded from internet, and I wish to apply this to my project. But before applying to project, as I said, first we will check what we have downloaded and what we need. Only that 3D object will take to our project. So from here I will copy the path. I will go to my one 3ds max file, go to file and then open. Suppose I am working with Vray, so I will take Vray object. Okay, suppose here I got 2-3 small plants which I need for my 3ds my project, but I do not need all the plant. I need only one plant over here. Here you see I have all the textures properly assigned to my 3D object, because here if you see closely to my folder, here on my one folder I have 3ds max file and 3ds maps. Okay, here is 3ds max file and here is 3ds max textures. So if you keep your texture very close to your 3ds max file, it will browse the file very easily without any problem, because the texture is very close to your 3ds max file. That's why if I open just 3ds max file, I don't have to link the textures. If I come here file and toggle, you see it's coming found, means it's not giving the path, but it is found, means it is taking texture from the folder. See, if the folder of textures folder is nearby, it is taking from here. Okay, so here I have texture, I have model. Now I am planning to take my model from one 3ds max file to another 3ds max file. So what I will do here, I have a script on top. Here you see this is my copy and paste script. first you need to go to this settings over here, click on the settings. It will ask for where you want to save the file temporary, because whatever you are copying the file, the information has to save somewhere before you paste the object to another 3ds max file. So here you can give any folder location. For example, I have given here my 3d library folder location. Any folder location you can give, for local destination, for remote destination. Local destination is if you want to copy paste the object in your same max file. Here only if you want to copy paste, it is your local. If you want to copy paste to another 3ds max file, then remote destination. Okay, and here I have taken the lowest version that is available, 2020. That's all. Just click on save and it is done. Just you have to do it once when you start after installation this script. Just once you have to do this. Okay, so if you want to copy paste this model here itself in the same project, here it's called copy and paste. It will ask for rename of texture and model, because it is copying and pasting in the same location. You see, this copying and pasting in the same location. That's why it's asking for the merge texture and all. So if you want to copy paste on same location, here is simple copy and paste option is there. But I want to copy and paste to another 3ds max file which do not have this model. This is my project file. So here on downloaded file, I will go here and there is a upward arrow. It is a copy remote, some kind of upload model. It is saying now copy your model. Just click here once. It will take 1 or 2 seconds. Your model is copied. Come to your destination max file. This is my project file. Here I want to paste my model. So again, here also a script is there. Here downward arrow sign, paste remote. Just you need to click it once and see it is came. By default it will come at the same location where you have copied from. You see it, the distance between, you see how far it is from 0 axis. If you come below x axis 770 and 5.8, here also if you come below you see 770 and 5.8. so by default it will come at the same location as it is from where you have copied. It will paste at the same location and then you can relocate as per your requirements. But if you see closely now, texture is missing, no, because here first time I have opened it from the folder where it has texture nearby, but this makes my project, this is in another location where it don't know where the texture is, so here it is missing. Now second part is going to start. Okay, first part we have seen how my copy paste work. Now that is completed. I have copied and pasted to different max files. Now second part is going to start where we see how to relink the missing texture. Okay, here texture is missing. If I come over here, let me enlarge this. If I come over here, file, references, asset tracking, you see if I refresh, these files textures are missing, so I need to find this. Okay, so I will take help from my another script, that is relink bitmap. So I will left click over here. Okay, here left hand side I have to give the destination where I think I can get my textures. For example, if I come to my computer, suppose on E drive I save on my whatever I download, everything I save on raw files. Here are multiple files, folders. Somewhere I have my texture. Okay, on E drive raw files, I remember that here whatever I download from internet, I save every files and textures here in this folder. So I don't need to go inside any individual folder, just one folder, one location is enough. So I can copy the path from here, or from here also you can browse. So already I have did that. I will remove this one. Suppose nothing path is there, you can add, go over here, E drive raw files. As I said, I save all my file on E drive raw files, I will select this location. I will click select folder, E file, and then click on add. So it will find my missing texture on entire folder, whatever is inside this location. Come below, few options you have to tick over here. First, search subfolder, means if inside this, if there is subfolders, it will search for my texture in subfolder also. Ignore case. Suppose your texture is in small case or big case alphabets, it will ignore that and it will try to search those textures also which are in small alphabet or big alphabet. So just remember to tick this option, search subfolder and ignore case. Other things you can leave as it is. All bitmap, one second. All bitmap, all the textures it will search. Make sure this 3 ticks, you just on this 3 ticks, okay, and then you just have to click on relink. See, on right hand side you can see where it has find the texture, or it has find texture on E drive raw files, new plant and trees. This is the location it is showing where texture has found, and on your perspective view you see you got all the textures. Okay, you can close this. Come here, file, go to preferences, relink, this one, refresh. You see, before it was missing, now it has got all the textures properly relinked. So this script also worked very well. See, all the textures are properly placed. Okay, so first portion is completed where we have copy paste the max file from one max file to another, and also if some textures is missing, we have also relink the texture. So how this script work, we had seen this, but now I will show you how to install both the script. Okay, now we are planning to install the script. We will see the process how to install the script. So I will come to my script folder. See, here it is. So this is my script folder. I have 2 scripts over here, 2-3 scripts, relink bitmap, and then this copy paste script. Okay, first we will try to install the copy paste script, and after that we will try to install the relink bitmap script. So this is the zip file you will get. So after unzip this zip file, you will get a folder something like this. You go inside the folder. Here you will see this folders and other details inside the main folders. These are the readme file. You can go through the readme and try to install by reading the steps given over here, but I will explain you as I have did already. So I will explain you how I have installed the script. So first of all, come here, you see the copy paste exe file over here. This is the main file. You just need to select this copy paste exe, right click, and then run as admin. It will automatically install the software on your 3dsmax file. But before installing on 3dsmax, make sure you close all your 3dsmax file. 3dsmax files should not be on, and also for a safe side, try to off your this internet security also. Here, come over here, real-time protection, virus security, you need to turn it off for the time being, because it might block some of your script portion and your script may not work properly if this block your script for virus and all. So this virus and threat protection real time you need to off for little time being. Come over here. Now you can install this. You can be online, you don't need to disconnect your internet. Your internet can be on, only your virus protection should be off and 3dsmax should be off. Now come to copy paste exe, right click, run as admin. As already I have done that, I am not going to run this. You have to run this and it will automatically install all the required script into 3dsmax file. After it is done, you need to start your 3dsmax file. You have to select which version you want to install. Okay, So I have done for 2023. You can do for whatever 3ds max version you have, you can do that. After installation, I will guide you what you need to do. One second. Suppose this installation is done. After installation, there is a small image I have saved over here. What you need to do in 3ds max, here you need to come to customize, and customize user interface. You need to do these steps. You can see this image and do it by yourself, but I will also guide you as I already did earlier. So I'll guide you how I have did on 3ds max. Okay, suppose 3ds max has started. This you will not get over here. This I have placed over here. So what you need to do when 3ds max is started, come to customize over here, come on the top one, customize user interface. You have to come over here and then come to toolbar. From toolbar on command, is something es. Give me 1 second. This is es copy paste option. You need to select this one. When you select this one, es copy paste option, below you will see all your required shortcut keys, copy, remote, paste, and settings, etc. Okay, to create your shortcut tool as this one I have created, you have to come to right hand side, click on new. This is your new toolbar. Give any name like copy paste, copy and paste. I already created, so I make it as one. Click on OK. If I make it little bit right hand side, it will look something like this, and then just all the options you need to drag and drop on this. Copy like this, like this, like this. You need to do. Okay, and it is done. And then you can place anywhere, left hand side, top, anywhere you can place it. It is done now. And then you need to save this interface. This is a new toolbar that you have created. So you have make some changes on your 3ds max interface. You need to save this. Click on the save button. It will ask for workspace, whatever is your UI name will come. Just click on save, so that next time when you start on 3ds max, this will appear whenever you are, wherever you will place, this will appear. So you need to save your overall interface. Okay, then you can close this and it is done. Okay, next we will see how to install this Relink bitmap script. This is also simple. First of all, we will see the folder where we have saved our Relink bitmap. Okay, suppose this is the folder where I have saved my downloaded Relink bitmap installation file. Just copy this location. Copy this location. Come to 3ds max file, and here you have to run that script first. Come to customize script, and then run script, and here give the location, select the Relink bitmap, and you need to open this file. When you open Relink, it will say that Relink bitmap is now installed successfully. And then what you need to do, it is so guiding you the path what you have to do. Either you can read this and do it by yourself, or I will guide you how I have done this Relink. I have created this shortcut toolbar over here. Okay, now I need to come to customize, and then customize user interface as I did earlier. Here also I have to do that. Come to toolbar and category, click down on this category. You need to select Colin, something called Colin. Wait 1 second, it's here only. This one, Colin script, this you are looking for. When you click on Colin script, this Relink bitmap will come. Again you need to create a separate toolbar for this. Again click on new. You can write Relink whatever you feel like, Relink, then click on OK, and again a separate toolbar will appear, and then left click and drag drop this on this. See, it is done. And again click on save, Again, you need to update your user interface because you have made some changes in your interface. Click on save, it is done. So that next time when you start your 3ds max file, this should appear, and then you can place anywhere and this will work. You can click and see it's start working. You can give the path, click on Relink, it will try to search the missing assets textures on that given path. Whatever path you will give, you can give n number of path wherever you feel your texture could be saved. Just give the path and click on Relink, it will look for the texture on that. Okay, simple. Thank you.